At this time, we are going to continue about speech writing. And today, we are going to discuss about the chapter 4, 5, and 6. Let's continue. Let's start. The main objective is to discuss about the art of argument, storytelling, and the art of metaphor in speech writing. And here we have, I include some of the some pictures. Let's take a look. So this is the art of storytelling, the art of argument, and the art of metaphor. What is an argument? This is a reason given with the aim of persuading others that an action of idea is either right or wrong. Arguments come down in three aspects: intuition, emotion, and reason. Let's take a look one by one. Appealing to intuition, this is eros. We have already talked about this. We all use mental shortcuts to help us make decisions in our life. Intuition is based on feelings, instincts, or in implicit rules that we unconsciously use when we process information and make decisions in our daily life. Peiros an argument. Take a look at the picture. Here we have a brain and here we have a heart. So this one is appealing to our heart. Remember that this one has to be with our emotions. So arguments based on emotion probably count more when we are persuading than when we are arguing. You might use reasons and evidence to convince the audience that something is true. You want people to take actions on the issue you are presenting. Logos, and this is the heart of an argument. These are reasons from the reality. You present real proof to the audience, either using statistical data, comparison, or even scientific data. Chapter 5, the art of storytelling. Who doesn't like storytelling? Everybody does. Storytelling are staff of life itself. This is according to Roland Barthes. I like this quote. Storytelling techniques can help you to increase the color and drama of your speech. Also, storytelling, by using this technique, you can talk about issues on three very important levels: global, institutional, and personal level. We can magnify the importance of an issue, or we should tell our story in a way that will have meaning to our audience. You have to make real impact by telling the story. And by this technique, you can get closer to the audience. Chapter 6, the art of metaphor. Metaphors, they are the guided cruise missiles of communication. Metaphor comes from the Greek word meaning to transfer. We transfer information to our audience by using different types of metaphors. They are sophisticated and also killer devices. We can use metaphors to create eros, that's the character, appealing to the character or the speaker, pathos, appealing to the emotions, and logos, appealing to the proof, real proof. There are 5 types of metaphors, and we have, first of all, the art metaphor. And here we include theater, writing, and music. Then we have nature metaphor. Between the nature metaphor, we can include about a climate, landscape, plants, trees, fire, water, night and day, seas, etc. And then we have experience metaphor. How about experience metaphor? They can include life and death, sickness and health, personalization and depersonalization, freedom and slavery, cruel and compassionate, etc. Then we have activity metaphor. Between the activity metaphors, we can include religion, war, journey, day-to-day experience, eating, sleeping, seeing, sports, gambling, etc. And then we have main objects, metaphor. And this one will include construction, machines, cars, money, etc. Finding appropriate metaphors is important for different types of audiences. Different metaphors suggest different things. Different speakers use different metaphors, and different audiences prefer different metaphors. This is all for today. I hope you enjoy and you have questions for our live class. Thank you for attending.